To turn on the vehicle, apply the brake pedal and press the power button. The ready light indicates that the high-voltage battery is on, and the vehicle is ready to be driven. With the brake pedal applied, pull the shifter toward you and then either upward for reverse or downward for drive. To shift back into park, push the button at the end of the shifter. Press the power button again to turn the vehicle off. Vehicle accessories can be used for up to 10 minutes or until the driver door is opened. To keep accessories on longer, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds while the vehicle is turned off. Note that accessories use the 12-volt battery, not the high-voltage battery, and should not be used for extended periods to avoid depleting this battery.